Go to Google and search Canva. This is our Canva dashboard. Go to Create a Design and search Animated Logo. Save your file name here. Search your business logo templates here. Hover the cursor on the template to view the animation. Select your favorite logo. Edit text and adjust the font size and colors from here. Check Preview your logo here. Click on Share button and go to Download. Then select GIF. Good. Now download your file. Your animated logo is ready for use. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.